Ljubljana, located in the heart of Slovenia, is a vibrant and beautiful city that combines historical and modern charm. Ljubljana, the capital and largest city of Slovenia, attracts visitors from all over the world with its picturesque architecture, lively cultural life and welcoming atmosphere. Ljubljana is known for its stunning architectural sites, including the famous Ljubljana Castle, which overlooks the city. The Old Town area is a pedestrian-friendly zone with cobblestone streets, brightly colored buildings and cozy cafes where visitors can immerse themselves in the local atmosphere. For those interested in history and culture, Ljubljana offers many museums and galleries to explore. The National Museum of Slovenia houses an extensive collection of artifacts that tell the story of Slovenian heritage. The Museum of Contemporary Art, known as Moderna galerija, showcases the work of Slovenian artists and hosts international contemporary art exhibitions. Nature lovers will also find plenty of activities in Ljubljana. The city is situated between two beautiful rivers, the Ljubljana and the Savoy, offering picturesque promenades where visitors can relax or take a leisurely boat ride. In terms of tourist infrastructure, Ljubljana offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget, from luxury hotels to cozy hostels. The city's efficient public transportation system makes it easy for visitors to navigate and get around. Overall, whether you are interested in exploring historical sites or immersing yourself in the beauty of nature, there is something for everyone in Ljubljana. Its welcoming atmosphere, combined with its rich cultural heritage, makes it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience.